Welcome. This video will be demonstrating Beyondtime. In this video we will explore the Time, Project and Help Desk module. Beyondtime is a lightweight and easy-to-use time and project management system. Our system is designed to improve productivity, communication and transparency in your company. This here is the home page. Here I can easily access my work list, favorites, help desk items, and any specific projects I may be working on. On the top header, you can access the other modules. Let's first explore how we manage programs and projects in Beyondtime through planning resources, tracking deliverables, and assessing milestones and critical items. This is the program dashboard. With this you can track a portfolio of projects and ensure that they are completed on time and within the budget. By simplifying data visibility, your management gains greater insight into utilizing resources and setting deadlines for tasks. To track any specific project, click on this button here. This is the project dashboard. The information shown here will allow you to follow the progression of critical items and milestones. Compare the project costs with the estimated budget. Track deliverables, manage resources for the project and also track the completion of assigned tasks. This easy access to the information will allow project managers and team leads to be much more efficient and manage multiple projects with minimal effort. To further edit the project, you can also access the project through the project module in the header section. Let's click here. Let's access the project we viewed previously. In this page I can view and edit the general information of the project. I can also get a quick overview of who is managing this project, its status and deadlines. Let's click on the Task tab. I can create and edit individual tasks here. Let's access one of the tasks. In this page I can further edit the task by adding documentation, comments, tracking the history, and or charging a work log to this task. Now let's click on the Resource tab. Here I can manage resources and view the tasks allocated for each resource. So, this is a brief summary of how you can manage projects in Beyondtime. Now let's explore the Time module. We will be looking at how to create time entries, and then generating and submitting a time report from the perspective of an employee and project manager. As an employee, if I click the Time module, up in the header, this screen is what I would see. Here I can see the current projects I am working on for each week, and I can add hours worked on each project. I can also duplicate and delete projects. So, I've preset a few hours for this week. Let's create a time report for this specific week. A time report is a review of the hours you've spent on projects over a time period. This usually needs to be submitted to your manager for review. Let's click Save and Edit. Here you can make any changes to the time report, however we just want to submit, so click here. You will see the workflow routing for your report in this window here. Let's click Submit. Now the employee has submitted the time report. Let's log in as a project manager to manage and approve this specific time report. I can immediately see there are a few time reports that I need to approve on my work list. Let's click here. So the time report I previously submitted is shown here. Now, I can mass approve all of these pending time reports by signing and clicking Approve. However, let's access this time report to get some more information. So, here you can see the hours and tasks this resource has worked on and the status of the workflow routing. Finally, I can add my own signature and approve this individual time report. All in all, that is an overview of the time report and time entry functionalities in Beyondtime. Now let's explore the project module. Now, we will explore the Help Desk module. With this you can create, manage, and edit incident tickets. This initial screen is what would show up if a customer or employee is looking to create a ticket. In this page you will be able to see the current cases, resolved problems, and frequently asked questions. Let's click on this case here. When you click on the ticket, you will see a summary of the status, ID and creation date. You can further add a note, send an email, or add a call. You can also add any related documentation. Now let's log in from the perspective of a help desk lead or project manager who manages these tickets. As a project manager, I can immediately access the open ticket we looked at in the previous page by clicking here under Help Desk Items. This page gives you a general overview of all cases for this specific project, their priority levels and amount of resources working on the case. You might have also noticed that the case we looked at previously is shown here. If we click on this button here, we can change the assignee, change the priority level, and update hours. For example, this window would pop up if we wanted to change the assignee. Finally, let's click on Edit Incident to further explore the ticket. I can further edit the incident in this page. I can attach more documentation, print the incident, or close the request. I can also add a note, send an email, or add a call. For example, let's add a note. When I click Submit, you will notice a history of all the activities is updated here. Furthermore, we can also add a backlog item about this problem to dedicate more resources and time to resolving the incident. But all of this is only the tip of the iceberg. Beyondtime has many more features for planning resources, client building reports, profitability reports for clients, reports for account program and project managers, change management, release management, build management, and document management. Furthermore, our administration module will allow easy and simple setup of master data, workflow processes, and security features. With this system, your management team will have all the tools required to take your company to new heights. For more information or to schedule a demo, please contact us.